Hello and welcome to BooTube. This is Mark from Boocar.co.uk with a quick video introduction to our Nissan Micra 1.2 ACENTA automatic. As you can see, this car's finished in a metallic colour. This is a colour called faded denim and it's a grey with a slight hint of blue. Now I'll give you a quick walk around of the car so you can see the car for yourself. What I will tell you, what this video won't pick up, is that this car is immaculate. I mean, I say that about a lot of our cars, but that's because we do cherry pick them. We only pick the winners. And this car is absolutely beautiful. So let's have a quick walk around here. I'll give you a quick show of the car from every angle. Now what the video won't pick up is the actual quality of the paintwork. Now the paintwork on the car is like glass. We have detailed the car, so the car has been through our machine polishing and polymer sealing system, and it is absolutely immaculate. There's no scrapes, there's no scratches, there's no dings and no dents on this car. This is immaculate. The bodywork on the car, I've never seen a car this age with bodywork so tidy. So it's absolutely beautiful. And now we've sealed that paintwork, it literally is just like showroom. The rest of the car itself externally is absolutely immaculate. There's no fade or discoloration on the headlamps or any of the plastics. It's actually had a new set of wheel caps. Other than that, the car is just as it left the factory and is absolutely nigh on perfect. So that's a quick walk around the outside of the car. Now, being in a ACENTA, it comes with a few nice extras. One of those extras is the boot spoiler, and also the side skirts here also comes with 15-inch wheels. So these have had new covers and they are wearing matching set of Continental tyres all around. So I'll give you another quick shot of the outside of the car and then we'll go in. So as we enter the car, first thing you notice is we've got sports seats. As part of the ACENTA pack is the sports seats, leather multifunction steering wheel. So a lot of these cars did have a vinyl steering wheel, and the vinyl steering wheels in these cars do suffer quite badly with age, and they do deteriorate. This is a leather steering wheel, absolutely perfect. You've got your multifunction controls on there for the radio, Bluetooth and the speed limiter. So you've got Bluetooth stereo, factory Bluetooth stereo. That's actually got more speakers than the standard Micra. It's got front, rear and tweeters as well. Air conditioning is standard on this model, and here's what you're buying the car for: a fully automatic CVT gearbox. Now if you go to your mechanic and say I'm looking for a small automatic, he's going to tell you to buy one of two vehicles, because there's only two small automatics on the market that come with a proper CVT gearbox. One is the Nissan Micra, the other one is some of the Vauxhall Corsas. Now the other option would be a newer Yaris, but then you're looking at probably tripling your budget over the value of this car to acquire one of them. So this isn't a semi-automatic. All the German and French stuff, even the Fords, all comes with semi-automatic gearboxes. The car will outlive the gearbox will die prematurely, cost you a fortune, you'll end up scrapping the car. If you want a proper box, buy a proper box, buy a CVT box, and say the Nissan is probably the best of them. So that is a fully automatic, no flappy paddles, no moving it up and down. It's just put it in D and drive it. It's proper automatic, won't roll back at junctions, etc, etc. So proper car, proper small automatic, 1.2 engine, low insurance. And let's have a quick look at this interior, because the interior is just representative of the exterior. It's absolutely spotless. The carpets, the seat fabrics, everything is absolutely perfect in the car. It's absolutely immaculate in here, absolutely spotless clean. And the rear, I doubt the rear's ever really been used in this car. Absolutely immaculate. The whole car inside and out is beautiful. So I do know the previous family that had this car, and Dad, who deals with the car buying, is very, very fussy. He's bought several cars off me in the past, and he's a very, very fussy man, and he does maintain his cars to a very high standard. Let's just have a quick look in the boot of the car, and here we go. So there's the boot. Boot's same as the interior, absolutely spotless clean. Go in here, you've actually got an unused spare wheel and tools, look like they just left the factory. Now the seats in this car, the rear seats have got a clever little trick. You can actually pull that and slide forward, so you've got bigger boot space. That's just something the Japanese always do that in many of their cars, and so that slides back to make the smaller boot and more leg room in the back. Obviously these seats do also fold down as well, so you can fold them down flat to make a bigger load area. But as you can see, that's all beautiful. What I do, I'll give you a quick look at the car through in the back here so you can see the interior for yourself, but it's absolutely stunning. So another quick shot of the back, and a view from the passenger seat. So in the passenger seat here, And another quick shot of the back seats there. Now what I'll do, I'll flip the lid and show the oily end. Okay, so here we are under the bonnet, and lovely clean engine bay. So not really much to see, but it is an engine. It's 4-cylinder engine, which is lovely. 4-cylinder 1.2 Nissan unit. So coupled with that CVT box gives you a proper driving automatic. It's not all hesitant and fluttery like the semi-automatics. It is a proper car. It won't roll back at junctions because it's got the CVT box, and the 1.2 does give it sufficient power whilst keeping the insurance, tax, etc. low. So beautiful car and really good powertrain. So as I scan back, there's no, one thing I will say on these engines, these are a chain engines, there's no need to worry about cam belts or anything like that. That's all done, and the maintenance on this car is second to none. And so we've got the full documented history for this car, detailing everything that's ever been done. So another quick look around the side there. So what are you waiting for? Give me a call, 01702 470 457. Have a look at our website, www.Boocar.co.uk. I will put a photograph of that pile of paperwork on there, and some samples of some of the invoices. The car will come with 12 months MOT. It is an AA history check vehicle, don't worry about that, it's fully AA history checked. It also comes with 12 months AA roadside assistance breakdown cover and a 6-month parts and labour warranty. So what are you waiting for? 01702 470 457. So the car is absolutely immaculate. You will not be able to fault it. I'm confident it's probably the best example of this in the country for sale. Honestly, there's nothing like this around. It's not very often I say that about a car this age, but it's absolutely fastidiously kept, both on paper and in the metal. It is perfect. So 01702 470 457. So it's a CVT gearbox, it's low insurance, low road tax and petrol. What are you waiting for? Give me a call. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.